Hi, this is Master Ken. In this video, I want to share with you how to do this kind of impossible task, but easily done in Powerquery. So what it takes is that you need to look at the code, and then here, if it's Xiaomi, it will be under the food team 1. And the KPI for Xiaomi for 14.1 is call and service, so you can see it's right here. And then for Nobita T2, it should map to more team 2, and the KPI is service, and the T2 is actually the PG group is actually service. So that's the requirement for my customer of Rick's food. Of course, these are all fictitious data. Okay, so you give it the data set like that, and then you go to change it. Okay, so now I'm gonna right click here and look at what is done. So basically we have the step here, source, and then we're gonna change star, and then now that is interesting. Now see that when selecting this step here, and then in the short while it's going to translate it into from horizontal to vertical unpivot. So look at that, these are unpivot. The next thing is we'll remove some column. So what do we remove? Oh, let's take a look. What have we removed? Oh, we removed the middle one. Okay, and now we know that every two column, if you recall just now, we don't say here, so maybe here every two column is considered a group. Every two columns a group, so that's why we come over here, and every two row now become every two row as one group. So now I gotta add column, and so how do I separate that two row into one column, in two row into one group? Is that I use the add an index, insert modulo, okay, and then add a conditional column. So that's your first line, and I filter it. Then I add an index. So this is to prepare to take the previous value into top. So add a column. So there's the end line. You can see that this value now changes to here. And then I have a table. So what's this table? Well, this table is actually that two row now is into one table. Every two row into one table, and that is how we do that. Every two row in one table. Okay. And then now we're gonna extract the value. So look at that. So we essentially turn it into from two row into one column, and then we split it, and now we have two column. And I just change the type again, remove the column. So look at that. So now we have this index, and we have that 2 here also. We still need to do something more. Okay, 2 1 2 instead of module. Oh, again one more time. So remove something, huh? Yeah. Oh, remove the. Okay, so now it's that way 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. So 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. What is that? 0 1 2 3. Let me just take a look here. Oh yeah. If it's 0, then it will be this. If it will be here, okay. So this is where I want to change the term. And then over here we have this value here. So every 2 row, 1. So cool. Oh, okay. So this essentially is a KPI, and this is the PG group. So 0 over here. Rename it. Yeah, just like here. In uppercase. Okay, so that's complete one. That's how we transform it to from here horizontal into kind of like vertical. We're going through all these steps here. And thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.